number 2 is under the command of ASP Henderson. Henderson is a 52-year-old veteran in the North Dominica Police Force. He's currently the head of the operations of the CID department, that's Criminal Investigation Department, and the second in command of the department. He's also in charge of the Scenes of Crimes unit.
Huh?
President.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Number 3 platoon commander is Inspector Leopold Joseph, a 24-year-old veteran in North Dominica Police Force. Inspector Leopold Joseph is the first woman to command a platoon of female officers in North Dominica Police Force. Independence parade. Number 4 platoon commander ASP Bill, aka Bill Johnson Williams. ASP Williams is a 40-year-old veteran of the Dominica Police Force, currently the head of the Special Service Unit. He's married, 4 children. He has been deployed 7 times for the region into Haiti, St. Vincent, Grenadines, Barbados, name of you. Number 5 platoon commander, Station Officer Tony John Baptist, the flying ambulance services from Dominica. John Baptist has served for 26 years in the fire ambulance service. They have been on deployment in Barbados for too long. In him, he has the key interest in medical first aid. Currently, the head of the charge of the final headquarters and the St. Joseph Fire Station. Number 6 platoon is commanded by 2nd Lieutenant Emmanuel Alexander. As we Dominica Cadet Corps, they are been to St. Lucia and Barbados on numerous occasions. Then break into quick time from slow